To start off with my base, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Primer. Now this is a illuminating primer. This gives you a hydrating look. I've already moisturized, but I'm still using it so that my base looks extra dewy and well put, moisturized and hydrated. And now to blur out my pores, I'm using the MyGlamm Banana Pore Filling Primer. I'm using very little. You do not need a lot, which is a great primer. So I'm just applying it on my T-zone because that is where my pores are accentuated. Now for the main base, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Skin Tint. I'm in the shade 05, and as you can see from the blending, it literally looks like my skin but a little bit better. This does not give you a full coverage. Keep in mind it is a tint, so it gives you the most sheer coverage possible, but as you can see from the difference how beautiful it looks so dewy, it looks so natural that it does not even feel like you are applying a skin tint on your face. Now if you want a little bit more coverage, you can take a buffing brush like this and then just buff it out. This will make sure that you get a little bit more coverage from the tint than a beauty blender. For my concealer, I'm using the Mars concealer. Now this is the newer packaging. I have the shade warm beige or cream beige. I'll just leave it in the description, but I'm applying very little amount of it on my under eyes, and as you can see my under eyes are well covered with it. It is a great concealer. For my powder, I'm just setting it up with the Fit Me Compact. I absolutely love it. It is a stable compact in everyone's vanity. So that's that. Now for my eyeshadows, I'm using the Oh Honey by Nicka. Now I'm just using the brown shade. I'm not using any shimmer shade. This is a great transition shade for my crease. It is not too dark or not too light. It's just the perfect amount for my crease. So I'm using that. And for my eyeliner, I'm using the MyGlamm eyeliner. Now this is like a dual eyeliner where you have one side is a eyebrow pencil and another one is a brown eyeliner. Now what I love about this product is that it is brown in color, so it looks very natural, which is perfect for the clean girl look. For my brows, again I don't need a lot, so I'm using the e.l.f. brow pencil. Again, one side is the brow product and then we have the brow spoolie. For the mascara, I'm using this one by Face Shop. This is one of the most underrated mascaras I've literally seen. This is the Fraction by Face Shop. So I'll just link it down below, but you can literally see the difference. Oh my god, I absolutely love it. It does not give you too much of a volume, but the length which it provides to your lashes is insane, which looks amazing. Now for my blush, I'm using the Love Earth's blush. Like this is the pot blush which they have. This is not extremely pigmented, but it is buildable, which is what I like for this clean girl makeup look. You do not want to apply a lot, but you want to apply a little bit, which is going to make sure that your skin looks a little bit dewy and glowy. For my highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome's Molten Gold highlighter. You do not need again a lot, so I'm just applying very little and finishing it off with the NY Bay gloss. This is in the shade 04. As you can see, now you'll see in just a second how beautiful it looks. It is a gloss, but it is like it gives you the best shade for your lips. It hydrates, it strengthens, not like strengthens, but like it shines your lips so beautifully. As you can see, like it is one of my recent finds and I absolutely love it. You can see how beautiful the entire look has come together. Let me know if you will try out this clean girl makeup look for yourself. All of these products are very affordable. Let me know what do you think. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.